In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to use the ChatGPT from Apple Watch. So in App Store on Apple Watch, you won't get the ChatGPT app to download or install. So here's the easiest way to use ChatGPT on Apple Watch. Just go to your iPhone and open the Message app, open a conversation. In the message conversation, you have to send the ChatGPT link. You can just type chatgpt.com and then go to your Apple Watch, press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, open the message app, open the same conversation, and here we can see the chatgpt.com link. Just open it. And here you directly jump into ChatGPT. Here we can see. Now just tap on Ask Anything box. Tap on Enter Text. Tell me a joke. That's all. Just go ahead and write your prompt in this box and then tap on Send. And here you can see ChatGPT is now generating my answer. Here you can scroll down just like this, and here we can see my question was tell me a joke, and here we can see the joke: why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. So that's how you can actually use ChatGPT. Now on, whenever you want to use ChatGPT, just come to message, open the chat and open the ChatGPT link, and you directly jump into the ChatGPT interface. Now go ahead and use ChatGPT from your Apple Watch.